So hello everyone, this is Shiva here. Welcome back to the tutorial videos of p5.JS. So how are you all? Hope you all are well. So in the previous video we made a not beautiful as this is the beginning, it's beautiful for you. We created an animation in which our car goes wee. So in this video, now in all the previous videos we just drew something and they would appear in the screen. But today's topic is the role of mouse in p5.JS. We would be working with mouse today in the canvas. It's a bit funny, so hope you all enjoy it. So starting off, for this we need to get our draw function. Our master pro draw function. Draw function, then put two brackets, a curly bracket, enter, and then another curly bracket. Perfect. Now inside this draw function, let's put our background as black. Now this has nothing to do with it. So now let's first use a fill function and define it as white, WHID, white. Perfect. Now we will draw a circle, and when you move the mouse in the canvas, the circle will be moving with the mouse. I'm not getting to pronounce. So ellipse, like your mouse will be highlighted kind of thing. So if we define any number, the circle will be in the same place. So instead of that, we need to write mouse X and mouse Y. These are some of the constants in p5.JS. Now mouse X means wherever the mouse goes, that's the X position of the ellipse. And mouse Y means wherever the mouse goes top to bottom, it is the y-axis position of the ellipse in the canvas. So this is the size. The next two values define the size of the circle. So I want them to be 50 by 50. It's 500 it got. Let's run the code and see. Actually, first we need to set our canvas to our standard values so that it fits to the screen 360. These are some of the standard values of mine. What you need to do is paste your background inside the draw function. Now here there should be a background. Let's define it to right. Anyways, it will ignore it. Now why do we need to put the draw function, the background function inside the draw function? Because we want the background also to be drawn repeatedly so that the circle follows our mouse. So if you run your code, fill white, let's define background to be white and fill to be red. Now anything? Our code is not working. We need to find out the issue. Oh, that's we did a mistake. MISTAKE, mistake. the mistake is we need to put the curly brackets right over here. Now let's run our code. You see, now our code works. Yay! Now our code is working. So what happens is, you define the fill to be red. So our circle will be red. And this is the size of the circle, 50 by 50. And the x and y coordinates are our mouse coordinates. Wherever our mouse goes, the circle will come with our mouse. Now what happens if you remove this background from the draw function? Now let's run the code again. Now you see what happens. Whoa! Our background is not getting drawn repeatedly, but our circles are getting drawn repeatedly. So we are getting like a snake and our mouse is the head. So we can do anything in the canvas. We can cover up the canvas with red blood circles. Oh my god. Sounds too scary, right? So that's it for today, guys. Let's revise what we talked today. So we talked about the mouse x and mouse y constants with which this happens. So hope you all enjoyed it. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.